Welcome back to Murphy's Diesel, folks. I'm Wrecker Rick, and we got a recovery. And let me tell you something. It's a real doozy, folks. So it took us some time this morning to get the crew loaded up because we needed the best crew we can get for this job. We needed our A-team, and they don't just get together like that. So we're getting a little bit of a late start. We got Mad Dog.
Finger bang.
We got Smoak.
Finger bang.
We got Dayton. And the one and only Mrs. Wrecker Rick. How's everybody feeling today? Y'all ready for a recovery? You ready for recovery?
Yes.
Yeah! Yeah! Don't give up for a second. Tay-Tay.
Let's go get them, girls.
Don't forget about Tay.
T-Money ain't coming. T-Money's recovered out.
You hold it for a minute.
Welcome, Marvin Diesel.
Folks.
I record Dayton.
It's the Smoak and Dayton show in the morning. This is where I tore the fender up on Mrs. Wrecker Rick's truck, right here. This very spot, folks. Coming up right here on the right.
Oh God. Oh shit. Are you kidding me?
Great. Never better.
I heard you've been out here all night.
Where were you headed?
Phoenix.
Oh,
Listening to the lady on the navigation.
really?
They get you every time.
She'll get me every time.
You- What you got going on, Dad?
I'm just getting rigged up.
What are we rigging with?
We're rigging with a combination of Baileys and Yankum. The good stuff, folks. Alright, so I'm going to pull you backwards. Just pop it into neutral. Leave it into neutral. And then just try to keep the truck right in the ruts that I leave. So,
Yep.
Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we'll go nice and slow.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the initial jerk will kind of hit you kind of hard.
Yeah.
But then once I pop you out of there, then we'll go nice and slow.
Okay. Very good.
Alrighty.
All right. Very cool.
What are you doing, Wrecker Dayton?
Nice. All right, come on.
Wrecker Dayton on the job today. Just like your cousin De Niro, hands in your pocket. Well, folks, wish us luck, because we got a track coming apart. Might get western out here. That's no way, no, folks. Got Mrs. Wrecker Rick behind the wheel today, folks. Turn to the left. All right, back up. Turn your wheels. Turn your wheels. There you go. Drive. Turn your wheels to the left and pull forward a little bit. Good. Looking good. All right, folks, we're at our turnaround spot. We're gonna get him turned around right here. But I'll tell you what, it is a good thing I got in shape. Because that might have killed me when I weighed 300 pounds. Another satisfied customer, folks. So we just dropped Smoak and Wrecker Dayton off at the OG Wrecker Rick's house, the A-team. Our next recovery, as the crow flies, is only a couple miles from here. Instead of going all the way back into Williams, going all the way out to the paved road and driving around, we're gonna take a little shortcut, folks. But the roads aren't plowed, so snow's probably pretty deep. So just might get western, and we got a track getting ready to blow. So stand by, folks. Boy, that track sure is making a lot of noise. I can hear it slapping the ice.
We didn't break our drone last night. We could have been fine.
You broke our drone. You wrecked it into a tree. I don't wreck anything. I'm freaking. I'm a pilot.
You.
There's a tree in the road. What are we gonna do, babe?
We have tracks.
Huh?
We have tracks.
We get stuck.
We get stuck going around. Do you come out here to snowboard, or are you just using your snowboard to try to dig yourself
No,
out?
I needed to get into my cart access and different tools, and I
Gotcha.
was trying to dig myself out, and I was just digging myself deeper. So
Yeah.
that's when I called you guys back, and I was like, all right.
So we're gonna get him with the side puller, folks. See how easy that is, just to swap sides? We were pulling off of that side last night, so. So when your winch line hangs up, see, won't come out. It's all froze up or bound up. You can take, what's cool about these Yankum fair leads, so you wrap that around there, it's all froze up. And then you just run your winch back in. Have to do another wrap. Lifesavers here, folks. Who needs a shovel when you got a pocket knife? I have to break out the old winch ring action, folks. The old Yankum winch rings. If you're in the market for some winch rings, be sure head over to Yankum and get you some of these. Look at these things. They are massive, and they have the groove so big. So when you put 2 extension on here, it can still fit through the groove. So they're pretty cool. We're using our. I'm double lining it because it's a hard pull. It's frozen. It's been here all night. He's sitting on the frame, so we got our Yankum winch rings out, using our Yankum fair lead on our side puller. Our Bailey's rigging. If y'all are in the market for a fair lead, go over to Yankum. Check out their fair leads and their winch rings. Pretty cool stuff. All right, go fire up the truck, Mad Dog.
There we go. You know how you like to drive with your left foot? Well, here's your time to shine. There you go, and just let off the clutch. There you go. Now I want you to hold on to the brake, which is that middle one, with your right foot. Because we drive with the brake and the gas pedal with our right foot. All right? Just hold that down, all right? Okay, come forward a little bit. Okay. Just put it in neutral now.
Another cool thing about the fair lead is you just stow it like that. It's pretty cool, huh? I think it went pretty good. Yeah. Black Betty just stood up and took it like a man. What do you think, Mad Dog?
That was great. I couldn't reach the pedals. Might have to
see,
slap.
I had that on a sharp edge, and that's all it did to it. So you gotta watch out sometimes. I mean, it'll cut all the way through, but so I use it. You can use this until this is worn out, and then flip it over and use this side. Another satisfied customer, folks. Yeah. It's getting worse though. Thank you. You bet. Have a good day. You too. So we're headed to get fuel. We're just about empty. Blew a track. Seen these distressing damsels. These old boys were stuck over here in the snowbank, 2-wheel drive Tundra with mud trains on it. Figure we better lend a hand, so we did it for free. So there you go, folks. You want to see us do free? There you go. There's your free recovery. We're headed for fuel before we run out. So.